Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your favorite place to practice real English in real situations.
Hi, everyone. I am so happy to see you again. Today, we are going to practice together, just like real friends do.
Many people often ask us, how did you learn English so quickly and sound like a native?
Well, it is not about being perfect, it is about practice. We speak English every single day, at home, in shops, at work, and even when we make mistakes.
Exactly. The more you speak, the faster you learn. So today, we will show you how to speak English confidently in different real-life occasions.
We will talk like real people, in parties, at the office, at the doctor, in restaurants, and much more.
All you need to do is listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice aloud.
So get ready. Let's start speaking real English together. Anywhere, anytime.
Wow, it has been ages. I almost did not recognize you, Amna.
Same here, Tom. You look different, in a good way. How have you been?
Busy as always. Work never seems to end. What about you?
Pretty much the same. Life is a roller coaster, sometimes calm, sometimes chaotic.
That is life. I have missed chatting with you like this.
Me too. Do you remember how we used to talk for hours after work? Those were good days.
Definitely. Back then, we had so many plans. Traveling, learning new skills. Did you ever get around to any of those?
Actually, yes. I started learning piano a few months ago. It has been amazing so far.
Seriously, that is so cool. You always had that creative spark.
Thank you. What about you? Any new hobbies?
I tried cooking during lockdown. It was a disaster at first, but now I can make a decent pasta.
That is progress. Maybe next time you can cook for both of us.
You promised not to laugh when I burn something. Deal.
Deal. So, how is your new job treating you?
Not bad. The people are friendly, and the office environment is relaxed. But I miss having deep talks like this during breaks.
Yes, those conversations were the best part of the day. Now everything is just emails and deadlines.
Tell me about it. Sometimes I feel like life is on repeat. Wake up, work, sleep, repeat.
That is why moments like this are important. A coffee break with a friend makes everything better.
I could not agree more. By the way, you sound more confident speaking English now.
Really? I have been practicing every day. I listen, repeat, and record myself. That helps a lot.
That is awesome. You sound natural, almost like a native speaker.
Thank you. I guess constant practice makes a difference. You cannot improve if you stay silent.
That is true. I always tell learners, do not be afraid of mistakes. The more you speak, the faster you improve.
Exactly. I used to worry about grammar, but now I just focus on expressing myself clearly.
That is the right attitude. Communication is more important than perfection.
I completely agree. Anyway, are you still into fitness? You were always at the gym.
Not anymore. I stopped for a while after I injured my knee, but I am slowly getting back into it.
Take it easy then. Health comes first.
Yes, I am trying. I also started reading again, mostly self-improvement books.
That is nice. I love reading too, but I hardly find time these days.
Same here. That is why I switched to audio. I listen while driving. It is so convenient.
That is smart. I should try that. I waste so much time scrolling on my phone.
Do we not all? Anyway, I am glad we met today. It feels like old times.
Me too. We should do this more often. Maybe once a month?
Absolutely. I will make sure it happens.
Perfect. Next time, it is my treat.
Fine, but I get to pick the cafe.
Deal.
All right then, to new beginnings and old friendships.
Cheers to that. Now we are talking about a conversation at a party, a place where you meet new people, start small talk, and practice friendly English naturally.
This party is amazing. I did not expect so many people to show up.
Yes, it is much livelier than I thought. The music is good too.
Definitely. By the way, do you know most of the people here?
Not really. I only know a few friends from work. What about you?
Same here. I came with a colleague, but he disappeared the moment we arrived.
Typical. You should meet some new people then. Parties are perfect for that.
True, but I am terrible at starting conversations. I never know what to say first.
That is easy. Just smile and ask simple questions like, how do you know the host? Or, is the music great?
That sounds doable. I guess I worry too much about sounding awkward.
Everyone feels that way. The trick is to stay relaxed and curious. People love talking about themselves.
Good advice. You are a natural at this.
Thank you. I have learned that good communication is not about perfect grammar, but about making people feel comfortable.
That makes sense.
Oh, look, there is the host.
I should go and say hello.
Yes, go ahead. She will be happy to see you.
She remembered me. We used to work on the same project years ago.
That is great. Networking and reconnecting are always helpful.
Absolutely. It feels nice to see familiar faces. By the way, have you tried the food yet?
Not yet. Everything looks delicious, though. Let us go together.
Sure. Oh, I love these little sandwiches. Do you want one?
Yes, please. Thank you. So, how often do you go to parties like this?
Honestly, not very often. I prefer quiet evenings at home. What about you?
I enjoy social events, but only once in a while. I like meeting people, but I also need time alone to recharge.
Same here. I guess that makes us balanced, social, but calm.
Exactly! Oh, look over there. They are playing a game. Guess the word. Want to join?
Why not? It could be fun and a good way to practice English too.
Great. The rule is simple. Let us try One person explains the word without saying it, and others guess.
Sounds fun. The word is umbrella. It is something you use when it rains.
Easy, umbrella.
Correct? Your turn.
Okay. The word is airport. It is a place where people travel and planes take off.
That is an airport.
Exactly. You are good at this.
Thank you. I guess all that English practice is paying off.
It definitely is. This kind of game helps a lot. It builds confidence and vocabulary.
True. And the best part is that it feels like fun, not studying.
Exactly. Learning English should always feel natural, not stressful.
I agree. By the way, I am glad we came tonight. It has been a while since I laughed this much.
Me too. Sometimes you just need a good evening with good people.
Absolutely. Should we grab some juice and sit for a while?
Yes, that sounds perfect. Let us go.
Cheers to good friends, good food, and good English practice.
Cheers. Now we are talking about a conversation at the airport, one of the most common real-life situations for English practice.
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for international flights?
It is right down this hall near gate number 7. You will see a big blue sign that says, International Departures.
Thank you so much. This airport is quite large. I almost got lost.
It happens to everyone. The first time I came here, I walked in circles for 10 minutes.
I can imagine. Traveling always makes me a little nervous.
Same here. Even though I travel often, I still double-check everything. Passport, ticket, and luggage.
Yes, I must have checked my passport 3 times already.
Better safe than sorry. Are you traveling for work or vacation?
For vacation,
I have been planning this trip for months.
what about you?
Work trip this time, but I hope to explore the city after the meetings are over.
That sounds like a good balance. A little work, a little fun.
Exactly. Oh, look, the check-in line is moving. Let us go before it gets longer.
Good idea. I always try to arrive early, but somehow the line is always long.
Airports are like that. Time feels slower, but everything still gets crowded.
True. By the way, do you know if they allow 2 bags in the cabin?
Usually one carry-on and one personal item like a backpack or handbag.
Got it. I hope my bag is not overweight.
You can check the scale near the counter. It helps to avoid surprises.
Good advice. I will weigh it now. Oh, good. 6.8 kilograms within the limit.
Perfect. Now you can relax.
Finally, the line is moving again. It is our turn.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here they are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, just 1 suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. Great, it is within the weight limit. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate number is 14A and boarding starts at 9:30.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Have a pleasant flight. Now that the check-in is done, I feel more relaxed.
Yes, that is the best part. Once you pass security, the stress disappears.
Exactly. Oh no, the security line looks long again.
That is normal. Just keep your passport and boarding pass ready. It moves faster than it looks.
I always forget to take my watch off before going through the scanner.
Me too. Last time, the alarm went off because I forgot a small metal key in my pocket.
Haha, that happens. I hope we do not have to remove our shoes this time.
Depends on the country. Some airports are strict, others not so much.
True. Oh, look, duty-free shops. They always look so tempting.
Yes, but expensive too. Still, it is fun to look around.
I might buy a small perfume or souvenir. Something to remember the trip.
Good idea. I usually buy chocolates or snacks. Easier to carry and share.
That is smart. Sharing makes travel even more enjoyable.
Exactly. Speaking of travel, what is your favorite part of flying?
Honestly, I love the moment when the plane takes off. It feels like freedom.
Same. That feeling of rising above the clouds is magical.
Totally. Do you like window seats or aisle seats?
Ways window seats. I like watching the world below. You?
Aisle seat for me. Easier to move around and stretch my legs.
Makes sense. Long flights can be uncomfortable without space.
Agreed. Oh, our boarding gate is right ahead. Perfect timing.
Yes, they just announced the boarding. Group B can start lining up.
That is us. Let us go.
Finally, after all the waiting, it feels good to move.
Definitely. I always feel excited and a little emotional before takeoff.
Same here. Every flight feels like a new beginning. New places, new people, new experiences.
So true. Traveling really teaches you more than books ever could.
Absolutely. It opens your mind and builds confidence, especially when you use English to communicate.
Exactly. It feels so rewarding when you handle everything yourself. Check in. Directions, talking to staff, all in English.
Yes. And the best part is realizing you understand and can express yourself clearly.
That is progress. Every journey makes your English a little better.
People said, "Oh, they are scanning our boarding passes now."
Let us go. Goodbye, airport stress. Hello, adventure.
See you above the clouds.